Chartbusters. One of the stocks which is busting charts this morning has been United Spirits. It's a big mover. In fact, it's a fresh record high that we're seeing on the stock, up around 5%, upwards of that 1400 mark on the stock price as well. And that's largely because of a strong operational performance coming in. Premiumization, cost control, and at the same time, better realizations for them has actually aided their performance. So revenues coming at 2,350 crores against CNBC-TV18 poll of 2,330 crores as well, largely in line. But it was the EBITDA which was higher by almost 60 crores as compared to the poll. EBITDA came in at around 458 crores. The street was working with a number of around 400 crores. And we have the margins which are at a multi-quarter high at 19.5%. This compares with 17.3%. These are standalone margins. Remember, the first quarter margins on a consolidated basis are reportedly a lot higher because of the IPL business as well. So core margins at 19.5% are much higher than what we've seen in at least the last 12 or 13 quarters. Profit after tax, again, closer to 300 crores versus street expectations of 238 crores. What did well for them? The prestige and above business actually saw a revenue growth of nearly 11% versus street expectations of 8 to 9%. And remember, this was a quarter which was marked by a fair amount of election-related disruption as well. And in that, the volumes grew by about 5.1%. Popular, a business which they decided to, degrow or curtail, has actually seen a decline of about 2.4% in value and about 4.6% in volumes, largely expected. And they've also gone ahead and made 2 acquisitions. And that's an interesting one because over the last couple of years, they've gone ahead and bought a lot of these artisanal brands. And this one, again, is an investment, a 15% stake in V9 Beverages. V9 Beverages, Nigel, makes distilled non-alcoholic beverages under this brand called Sober. And the other company that they've bought is a 25% stake in this company called Coffeen, which they've put 5 crore rupees. What is it that they make? Specialty cold brew coffee liqueur. Both of them do revenues of about 50 lakh rupees as of last year. But then again, with United Spirits distribution and their might ahead, maybe they can scale it. But interesting foray there.
Oh, that's right, Mangalam. Budget, no budget, good times, not good times.
Everyone's going for a bit of a
large one, I think.
Whether you go in for a large one, you go in for a small one, you got to protect yourself, and that's exactly where the next stock on our radar comes in from. ICICI